Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx, and today we're going to talk about a brand new clutch puller that we offer for a bunch of the Polaris UTV and Snowmobile models. As you can see, I'm sitting on the Polaris Boost here today, but let's dive into this and talk about this clutch puller. So clutch pullers, not much to them, right? Well, when you pull clutches as much as we do, and you're taking them on and off as much as we are, you get really sick and tired of grabbing two sockets every time you go to work on one. So we've done this with a few other models, and now we're doing it with this particular puller as well. We incorporate the T-60 Torx socket into the head of the clutch puller. So the same socket you're going to use to pull your clutch bolt on these particular models is the same socket you're going to use on the puller. Just saves a lot of trips. Guys that are doing a lot of tinkering, a lot of tuning, professional mechanics will really appreciate something like this. And it's a little bit sleeker, slimmer fitting piece, easier to keep in your toolbox, takes up less space, all those good things. Machined from the highest quality materials. It's heat treated, it comes with a good plating and everything on it, and it's built the Speedwerx way so you know it's going to last. Getting down to it, as far as what models it'll fit, this part replaces Polaris part number 52422. Their clutch puller, again, 52422, it replaces that. This works on the 18 and newer Ranger XP 1000 models, the RZR Pro R Turbo models, the RZR Pro XP models, the RZR XP Turbo and Turbo S models. It also works on the 850 Boost and the new 9R models as well. So fits several different models. Check this out on the website. Retail price of $56.95. 100% made in the USA. Can't stress that enough as well. Check out our YouTube page. Check out all of our social media channels. Some really good content there always. We're updating that multiple times a day, so keep track of us there as what's going on. And if you guys got any questions, give us a call.